Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you one of my doll houses, the interior and exterior. So what I did was I took a stencil and I painted it in brown to make a brick face to this side of the house. Those windows weren't there. My hubby made the holes. So the kitchen has a window. There's a window to this office here and a window to that room. This is the front, and I got this for $30 at a flea market a while back. Probably about maybe, I would say like 5 years ago now. And it's kind of awkward. It has an awkward door, smaller than what it should be. I think that door should have been larger, but somebody handmade this house. So that's the door, opens nicely, closes nicely. So why don't we take a look inside? So this is what it looks like inside. The dark room, that one I have to work on because the walls are kind of like coming apart and I don't have a light in there. But let's start with something else. Let's start with this one here. So this one I made a bedroom. Let's see this over here. This is actually a mirror. It's supposed to be an eyeliner, but I bought it just to put it there in that corner right there. So that's my picture over there on that frame. That's a Dollar Tree light. This here is a card holder, a metal card holder, but I'm using it as a partition there. Then there's a plastic dresser all the way over there with some books, magazines in there. That bed is plastic. And then I have a little collection going on of those vases. Maybe one or two were my mom's, but the other ones were mine. I got them at a yard sale for like, I think it was like 25 cents each. But they are beautiful. I should make a video just on those. This here, this woman holding the mirror in a fancy dress. I got it for $1 at a yard sale. $1 at a yard sale. And it's a brooch. It's supposed to be a brooch. I already pinned it to this piece so that it won't fall. Then I took a magazine and I am using a page that looks like it's another dimension, like if it's a larger room going into a different dimension. That's what it looks like, but that's just a magazine page. This here is one of my mom's fishies, glass fish. So that is that room. Then down here we have an office. I recently acquired these pieces of furniture here. It's a set at a yard sale, so I just added them in there because I didn't have a space for them. But I have this desk here. It's just two metal pieces placed together and they look like a desk. Then that's one of my people miniatures. I have a little clock over there, 50 cents at a yard sale. That looks like a printer, but it's part of a machine, and it had a little slit, so I inserted a little paper to make it look like it was a printer. Over there, some books. Those are adhesive rectangles that I stuck together, and they look like books. The water cooler is actually a little perfume bottle upside down inside a box that I covered with duct tape, and I ended up adding a little metal piece. So that is the water cooler, handmade, and some chest pieces on the side. So that is the office. The books there, those are not really books. Those are pictures of a book. That is a musical box, and it really works. I got it for 50 cents at an estate sale many, many years ago. So one day I'll make a video just on that. So that is the office leading to the other room there. Then here we have the kitchen. This is actually a handmade kitchen. The sink, the stove, the refrigerator, all that is cardboard. The refrigerator is a box of soap, and I placed 2 rolled up pieces of aluminum foil to make handles. The little microwave is a plastic piece in which you insert razors. It was a promotional piece from an insurance company. I'm going to zoom into it so that you can see it. On the sides there, I took a marker and I made some markings to make it look like it's, you know, the numbers and all that on the microwave. The sink and the stove, all that is a toothpaste box that I wrapped up with duct tape. And then I kept on adding metal pieces using my markers, and that's how I made that. A little hook at the sink. Then we have a little couple here. They are preparing dinner or serving dinner. On the table, it's not a table, it's an island. They call it an island. And it's a phone cover, cell phone cover. And that's where I placed all the food. The donuts and these little chocolate eclairs, those are handmade from clay and some paint or markers that I used. The floor is from a chess piece. Then I have a little cage here hanging. Some poker chips for decor. And brick colored wallpaper, pattern wallpaper. Then here you can see over to the living room. This is the living room here. I really like the way this came out, this living room, because I used a bright yellow paper, pretty thick paper. And then I used a magazine photo to make it look like it's another room back there with doors. And then I placed some little pieces of cardboard at the steps. The furniture is from Hobby Lobby, and it did not come with that rug. That rug is actually a mask, a COVID mask. It just happened to be the same pattern as this furniture, so I said to myself, wow, it looks like it's part of it. So that became my rug right there. Notice the little remote control and the TV. The TV was about like almost $7. I bought it at Hobby Lobby. So it came with the remote. The fireplace, part of my miniatures, some chess pieces on top, and a little clock. One of those that I get at yard sales and thrift shops. It's real, but sometimes people get rid of them because they don't want to buy the lithium battery. Then on this side, under the stairs, there's another wall with wall decor and another cage at the end over there. those plants are not part of the magazine picture. So that is the living room. Then up here we have a bathroom. The bathroom, the shower is handmade, just one of my ideas. Finding hooks and plexiglass or transparent paper, anything that I could find to build a shower. The sink is a little box where there were 4 napkin rings. Very fancy box. So I made it a sink of 4. This mirror here is from the Dollar Tree with 3 magnets on top to make it look like fixtures, like light fixtures. Then over here I added an interior of a jewelry box. So here, where you think it would be towels, those are where you insert your rings. Remember, this was from a jewelry box. So you insert your rings in there. But I love that it looks like there's towels in there. And it goes great here because it has a space for a washer and a dryer. Then those fishies that we went to the bottom, and then there's a shelf up here for all the laundry and towels, all the laundry supplies. Then a little mud sink here that I pieced up from that plastic piece and a hook. The garbage is a shampoo cap. I think it was from shampoo, a cap of somewhere. And then I just took little pieces of toilet paper and I shredded them to make it look like the garbage. These are autocollants from the Dollar Tree. Aren't they beautiful? Dollar Tree. There's even a brush on top of the shower. Right there, that is an air freshener. So it smells good in here. So that is the bathroom. Then up here is that other room that I told you I don't have any lighting in there. I used to, but it fell and the walls are coming apart, so I have to fix that. Maybe I'll rearrange this. But there are some computers here. Let's see if I find the switch here. There they go. So these 2 little computers are battery operated, and I got them at Halloween time at Michael's a while back. The battery pack is right there where I stuck my hand through, so they light up as you can see. And that's supposed to be a desk. There is a bed there. That picture, I got it from, I think it's black and white. I got it from a magazine, I think. I got a few of them. I have to put some light in here and kind of like bring you back to this room in a full video. So I'll do that another time. Then I have a Home Depot figurine there. A handmade sofa that I made myself. But you know what? I'll leave this room for another time. I'll come back so that you can see everything. I'll probably even fix it. I'll fix that edge that I told you about. So that's it. This is the entire tour of this house, inside and out. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.